So we have another Tesla Model Y project coming in. We just got done tinting the car. We're now in the process of getting the car ready for Clearbra. We're actually going to be doing the entire car. Ultimate protection. Summer's coming up. Road trips are happening. Things happen. So yeah, keep the car protected. Right, Dustin?
You got it, Chief.
Because you never know on these road trips where there's a door ding. Oh, maybe you go to one of those like drive-through zoos, Dustin, you know? And the giraffe just kind of licks his big tongue over your door, and it's really rough. It's like sandpapery, so it just scuffs it and scratches it. So like, imagine that over your paint. Your paint's fragile. It doesn't get scuffed up. Dustin, I feel like if you were an animal in the zoo, you know that panda that sneezed really loud and he scared himself? I feel like that would be you.
Ah! After 20 years, I decided to make a lanyard. I've always talked about it, and we've just never done it.
Has our shield on the bottom, and then our new logo is on the sides now. In case you don't carry the whole thing, you can just detach. Ah!
Want it?
I don't use lanyards.
Come on, you can leave your Tahoe key on your neck.
Show people you're proud of your Chevy heritage. Clearbra's done, the tint is done. We're gonna be doing some vinyl work on the Y before we actually give it back. What are we doing, Dustin? Tell us.
Huh? I just told you.
Told me what?
3 times. A wrap.
What are you wrapping it with?
Satine. Satin, bro.
So we're going for like this, you know, two-tone kind of Range Rover vibe, I guess you can say. Top of the car is like, you know, mainly black. So the mirror, the A-pillar, and then like even this part of the fender here is gonna be satin black.
Kind of want to like when you hit this line right here like this.
That'd be pretty cool to end it like down here instead of like up here, because this is like the typical way of doing it. Just because we haven't done it down here, that'd be kind of neat. What do you think, Dustin?
What's up?
Now with the car being a two-tone, it kind of has like that Range Rover look to it. Definitely has more of a sportier vibe now with the top being satin black. Because the top isn't really made to look like a two-tone, we did have to create custom lines on the fenders and on the trunk area just to tie the windows seamlessly up with the A-pillars and all the way back. And it came out really, really nice. Tinted all the sides, back, front windshield, and the sunroof, so stay nice and cool no matter how hot it gets here in Houston, especially with summer rolling around. The whole car is now Clearbra too, so it's completely protected, ready for road trips and anything that life has to throw at it. And to finish the whole entire project off, we ceramic coated the entire thing so it beats water, dirt, grime. The whole car is protected now from practically anything you throw at it, so it's gonna stay nice, clean, and looking new for many years to come.